some of the tackling's been off, but I think those are things that are correctable, and I think he probably can correct them.
Sonny's in Round Lake. Good morning, Sonny. How are you?
Good morning, guys. Victory Monday in Lambeau Field. This can't double check. You know, we got it, man. You know, I want to talk about the Josh McCown. I'm a big Cutler fan, but I would like to see this guy 4 more quarters. When I look at the 6.5 quarter of the Josh, he's looking good, man. You know, and I don't want to create any quarterback controversy yet, but the Cutler's contract is coming up. We don't want to pay the Cutler about $60-70 million. Let's look at the 4 or 8 more quarter about the Josh McCown, and let's see what he got. And you know what? This game we won because of the coaching, not because of the Aaron Rodgers hurt, not because of the Josh McCown played good, but because of our coaching. And then if somebody told me what is the difference between the Mark Trestman and Lovie Smith, I told him the difference between the Mike Trestman and Lovie Smith is the difference between the city of Green Bay and city of Chicago. You know, they got 3 Taco Bell, and we got 6,600 Taco Bell. We are bigger, brighter, and the best.
All right, Sonny. Very nice. Very well played. Yeah, there is a vast difference between obviously Chicago and Green Bay, and maybe now there is a little gap in the football teams, which would be nice to see, given the horrible extended 21 years.